The universe was born during a period of inflation that began about 13.7 billion years ago. Like a rapidly expanding balloon, it swelled from a size smaller than an electron to nearly its current size within a tiny fraction of a second.
The Big Bang Theory is the prevailing cosmological model for the universe from the earliest known periods through its subsequent large-scale evolution. The model accounts for the fact that the universe expanded from a very high density and high temperature state.
In an instant, space and the building blocks of matter were created, and time began. Over billions of years, matter formed into large, complex structure that continue to evolve.
The Big Bang is a scientific theory about how the universe started and then made the groups of stars called galaxies we see today. The universe began as very hot, small, and dense with no stars, atoms, form, or structure called a singularity.
Half a million years ago, after Big Bang, the cosmos began to cool. As it cooled, the atomic particles began to come together and slowed down, and in time, it stopped colliding with each other so that protons, neutrons can form its kind. It's funny. When you relate it in love, one day you love each other, then one day you wake up, you two are gone. Did the universe cool further and the hot particles become slower? Then protons, neutrons, and electrons came together. An atom was formed. The universe was nothing but of nitrogen and helium. Over ions, structures begins to structure itself and formed a universal cloud. Then in time, galaxies began to collect from teeny tiny particles. No one ever knew that there were galaxies until the 20th century. Stars were born, shine, and explode. Then it blew winds with different gases into space. Carbon, oxygen, iron, all the necessary components for planets to form and for life to begin. Galaxies collided with each other that spread stars into infinity. Space-time grew every minute.
Oh.